Oh my God, dude, I snapped my chassis.
Y'all didn't see this.
But it is stripped out. So the Gen 8 has gotten a few upgrades since the last time you've seen it. It's got a Wendigo body on it, some A-pillar lights, it's got some dirt on it, some stock axial wheels, and the Nitto mud graps on there. KYX bumper, and I put the adapters in the frame so you could run the TRX for SCX10 bumpers. All I did was take the stock bumper and got on the bench grinder and just trimmed it up. And then I shoved it in all the way, drilled new holes, and then put it in there. Down here by the creek, still got my wife's bag to hold my tools. I need to get a toolbox. Got some cars, got some batteries. What do you think?
I got the snacks and Gatorades.
Yep, she's got the snacks and Gatorades. Just warming up, like we always do. And that's when we break the most stuff. I hit a tree going Mach 100. Just broke this eyelet out right there. It's cracked. Just ripped it off there.
Y'all watch me accidentally stab a hole in my hand while I try and pry this drive shaft apart. I've been trying for like a couple minutes now and I can't get it with this tool that's not used for this.
Hey, I need that tool though.
No, it's alright.
Hey Joey, when are you gonna get one?
It's right there.
Nice.
Let's put wheels on that sandwich and let it ride.
I don't know how long that'll last. Oh my God, dude, I snapped my chassis. Oh my God, that's like the least of my problem. I can't use this anymore today. Come check this out. I thought I just broke the shock. That bottom piece is just a little broke. I put it back. I was like, okay, we might still be able to go. I'm just taping it, dude. I'm not actually taping it. Let's snap the drive shaft.
This seems sturdy.
Damn.
Now you have a shock in the middle.
Yeah. Well, that was fun. Well, time to go crawling. I'm so sad I didn't even get to, well, I did try out my Senton, but you see how that
lasts very long.
No.
95% working on them, 5% riding.
Part of the hobby.
It sounds like dirt bike.
Yeah, we ride.
Or driving.
And what do we have today?
We brought the X Max to start it out with.
Look how cute this one is. You're going off in the creek. I mean, it looked close. Oh! Gosh! That one sounds like a ton of bricks when it hits the ground. I swear, I really did make it twice. Now that's deep.
You're so close and don't just come to the Rex.
I would have made it if you didn't do that.
Bounty Hill has been defeated.
Give me my
$3.
Give me my prize now.
Sullivan's RC concept rear bumper he's got in there.
Are you listening to what they're saying?
You got to get all the key details. Watch everybody else flip over, then you know where not to go.
Exactly. You think you're gonna make it?
No. I mean, it's not mine anyway, it's yours, so I don't care if I break it, right?
Hey, your hand's on my ass.
Oh, that was yours? I thought it was mine.
Come on, Joey.
Yeah, I'd go left more.
You're gonna have to swing it left.
I think maybe crawl over this rock and then come in like that. Floor it.
Garrett needs to get bigger tires unless they took the hot sticker.
Wide open. There you go. Ooh, cut to the left.
Tell which way you turn.
Uh-oh, he's panicking. He's panicking.
The struggle.
I can't even see which way your wheel is. They're to the left now.
Perfect.
Y'all didn't see this.
Oh, there it was.
Here, Joey, back up.
Joey, back up.
Damn, he's kicking your ass, Daniel.
Don't have a ramp or nothing.
I know. I feel like the pinion isn't grabbing that ring gear all the way.
Yeah.
I think it's done for. I was hoping it just came loose, but it is stripped out. See, Joey, if you get one, you could just be looking at it like this. And then you could be looking at it like this, too.
Broken all the time.
Chassis in half.
And then you could look at it like that.
I do have an extra chassis at the house, so I ain't too mad about that. I'm not actually mad about any of it.
Well, technically, you didn't break that.
Oh, the tree did?
Yeah.
Oh,
No, the front diff on this one.
yeah, you broke that one?
Well, I mean,
Someone that looked like you?
yeah, it definitely wasn't me. Like, he had a controller that looked just like yours, but it wasn't me.
And then he walked away into the woods, never to be seen again?
Yeah.
What's crapping over here?
Trying to figure out what's up with the servo.
Did we figure out if it was waterproof or not?
I don't think it is.
Was you under the impression that it was, Leighton? Is that why you used it as a submarine?
4 times actually.
4 times.
Up this side. You drove all the way up that? Yeah, it went right up.
Oof.
What's that?
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Come through here, Dalton.
Good job.